Our faithful tent, which we've used about half a dozen times over 18 years, has finally decided to retire itself because the water there's more inside than there is outside. It rained last night. What was it like in the tent?
Wet.
Wet. In the sleeping area?
Damp.
Damp. Because we had layers over our sleeping bag. Our layers were wet, but not our sleeping bags. But when we were sat here last night, around our table with our gas lamp and gas heater, it was raining on us. It's Easter Sunday. And as you can see, we have our tents in the communal back garden. No, we're not holding a tent festival, but what we are doing is reproofing our tents. What we've got here is some Fabsil Gold, super concentrated universal protector, and we've got 3 tents. We've got a shelter from Quechua, which is like a living area shelter. We've got a Quechua 3-person pop-up, fresh and dark, and here we've got our almost 20-year-old, I think we got it about 18 years ago, urban outscape 4-person tent with a vestibule. And we took this tent to the Lake District a couple of weeks ago, middle of March, and it poured down. We had frost, we had rain, and the rain came inside the tent. And while we were sitting in here, in our table and chairs, the rain was coming through the roof, coming through the sides. What we'll do is we'll reproof it. So Heather, describe how we did it.
So we sprayed a fine layer of the Fabsil Gold over it, and then we've rubbed it in with microfiber cloths.
Yeah.
To make sure it's got an even covering.
Right. Have you just put some more on, have you?
I've just put some inside.
Oh, you just put some inside, okay. It looks like it needs to be rubbed in there, okay.
So I'm just rubbing a little bit of an extra layer, so this is the second coat on the top bit of the porch here, because that's where we got very wet when we were away. So you can see which bits I've done and where I've missed, because it's gone a different colour.
We've done this tent with Fabsil Gold, we've done this tent with Fabsil Gold, and we've done the shelter with Fabsil Gold. 2 tins, so this is a litre, and we've done 2 litres. The Fabsil Gold, compared to the Fabsil Standard, has got twice the amount of silicone in. So, you know, we're going to see what it's like. We've paid special attention to all the outside seams. It's now drying out. It's a nice windy day. The forecast said that there wouldn't be any rain today, so we're giving it a go. So what we used initially was we used a clearer, you know, like a cuprinol spray that you might do your fences. So we put a litre in the cylinder, pumped it up, and sprayed it on, and then Heather came round with a microfiber sponge that you might use for your car, and we went round and wiped it all in. Right, how much? I think it was £15 a litre. Was it £18 a litre? I think it was £30 off eBay for 2 litres. If you like this video, please click like, then comment, share and subscribe.